Hi everyone, it's Jen, and I've got my Easter Stitch Marker Advent by Ellie Leva. And let's open it all up right here on Easter. And let's see what's inside. It's not even been opened. Oh my. That's why we have scissors. There we go. And let's take a look. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. There are these cute little eggs. These are adorable. And there is probably one of Pusheen's favorite. Easter grass. Let's see what he does with it. Hopefully he'll push it in the trash. I'm hoping. And found it in the midst of everything. This is the hook that will hold all of our stitch markers. I love that pink, yellow, and blue. Oh, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Sorry. I didn't think about the fact he'd eat it. Okay, we have a bunny. Let's go with our first one. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna set my bag up to put all the tissue paper in. And it's a bunny. Okay, I'm not looking. Let's put the tissue paper in here. And the first one. Oh, I know it's got to be more than one. Well, I like the little cards. And this one. Oh, there it is. Oh, how stinking cute. Let me get my face out of there. Oh, come on. Camera wants to focus on Pusheen and not the stitch marker. That is adorable. I like that. So, let's get these opened up and start putting them on the ring. That is cute. Alright, the second one. It's confetti. Oh my. Pusheen's helping. Not. Oh. Look. It's a carrot. I likes the carrots. These are so stinking cute. Oh, we got a bunny and a carrot. Okay. Let us keep on going. Let's go with a blue one. Ooh, right there with a bunny. Let's see what it is. I'm just grabbing them willy-nilly. They're not numbered. Alright. Put that in the bag. Oh, gotta get it to flip over. And it's an egg. That's beautiful. It's a rainbow egg. I like that. I love these stitch markers. It's like a little presents all in a row. I love this. Alright, let's put that one on. Let's grab this white one with a big egg. Just grabbing what's on top. There is no rhyme or reason. Alright. Oh, how pretty is that? Don't pay attention to my nails. They need to be painted. It's an egg. It's an egg. I can't tell if they're coming in clear. Sorry. Alright. And I'll put the egg on this one. And I'll move on to the next clip. And we'll go to the purple. And it's a bunny. I love the bunnies. Easter is awesome. Okay. And it's another one. Look at that egg, guys. Isn't that pretty with all the hearts? I loves it. I loves it. That's awesome. Oh, I gotta find the clip. Alright, let's put it on this one. Get my fingers out the way. And let's go on to the next one. It's very pretty. Do a little bling bling. I love these. I keep saying that, like you don't already know. Oh, it's very pale. And it's got colors on it. Whoop, wrong way. And it's very pale. I think it's so pretty. Loves it. Don't mind my cat, he's pawing the window. He's being a Pusheen. Oh my. I got stuff like everywhere. Okay. Let's go on to the next hook. I should have separated these out better than I did. It is okay. Alright. We got some green. Alright. And oh, it's a bunny. It's a bunny. I like the bunnies. And we'll put the bunny on. Come on. Let's put the bunny on here. Let's get the bunny on the clip. I'm going to be using the bunnies for the next few days, and it's a blue one. Oh, I love the bunnies. And I think this is a tiny bunny too. I don't want to flip back around where it needs to go. There's a tiny blue bunny. Look at all the beads. That's beautiful. That's really pretty. Alright. Let's put this bunny with this bunny. Oh, we're more than halfway there. So I'm sorry if you're getting bored. There's a flower. I'm going through them quickly. And this one. Oh, how stunning. This is stunning. That is stunning to me. And my fingers wouldn't hold it. And that is stunning. Look at that. That is just stunning. Wow. That's by far the prettiest one. Oh, I forgot to put it in here. That's stunning. Wow. Holy cow. Wow. Oh, one more pink one. And then we'll be on the last 4. That was a stunning one. Oh my. Oh, how beautiful. Look at the egg. That's pretty. I like it. I like them all. Let me put the egg on. And then we got the last 4. And then I will have them all on the clips. Alright, so we got the green. And I'm holding it upside down with the bunny. I'm sorry if you can hear my husband on the lawnmower. Oh, that's so stinking cute. Do you see it? There's the bunny. And all the beads. That's cute. Alright, this is going on the last clip. Fingers don't want to work. And we got the purple one with an egg on it. Very pretty. Oh, it's very blingy. I see some sparklies. I see some sparklies. You know I love the sparklies. I love the sparklies. love the sparkly. Alright. Another pink one. Oh my. That's cute. I love the stickers. They're so cute. Ellie does such a good job on these. She really does. And takes her time to wrap each one individually. She'll even number them for you if you want them numbered. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at that. How cute is that bunny? That's stinking cute. Come on, camera. My camera is not doing these any justice today. Oh my. I think my camera's focusing in on that cat behind me. I'm just saying. And last but not least, polka dots. Alright, last but not least, let's get it all done. We got some shrooms in the house. That's cool. And let me get it on the clip. Because you know, if I don't get it on the clip, I will lose it. And I already messed one up and didn't put it on the clip. Let me fix this one. This one didn't go on the clip. It went on another one. Yep. That needs to go on the clip. I don't know how I did that, but yes, that's probably how I did it. There we go. Now, we got them all up there. There's all everywhere. That is a stunning. Love this, the Easter stuff. That is amazeballs. That is super fun. Oh, Froggy found one more. Oops. Oops. I got one more. I didn't know I had one more. I feel bad. I forgot about the one more. There's the last one. And it's a bunny. Oops. So I did have one more. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I made this video too long. Thank you guys for sticking around. You guys are pretty awesome. You really are. Thank you guys for sticking around. I did get the last one on there. But thank you for watching. If you're interested in stitch markers, contact Ellie Leva. She's really amazeballs. So, thank you guys so much. And thank you, Ellie. I hope you have a great Easter. So, happy Easter and happy Resurrection Day. I love you all. Bye now.